FIFA's decision to expand the Women's World Cup to 32 teams for the 2023 tournament was seen as a success, with plans to expand to 48 teams in 2031. Teams like Wales are set to benefit. Under the leadership of head coach Rhian Wilkinson, Wales have been steadily rising, becoming an increasingly competitive force in the women's football game. Although Wales missed out on qualification for the 2023 Women's World Cup after a tough playoff loss to Switzerland, the team's trajectory has been promising. Wilkinson, appointed in 2021, has fostered a cohesive squad that plays progressive, competitive football. With players like Rachel Rowe and Hague-Jones stepping up, Wales's growth is evident. The team's strong showing in World Cup qualifiers, finishing third in their group, demonstrated their potential for future success. The expanded World Cup offers a significant opportunity for nations like Wales. With more teams in the competition, the chances for teams with developing infrastructures and growing talent pools like Wales have increased. Wilkinson's focused on player development and tactical growth, coupled with the increasing global interest in women's football, makes the prospect of Wales reaching future World Cups increasingly realistic.
You know, it's just making it as professional an environment as possible, and it has helped that the game as a whole is more professional now, and we've got players coming in who are at a professional level, professional club, day in, day out, and we know what to expect, and we keep pushing those boundaries down. I think that's really important.
The 2027 tournament in Australia and New Zealand is a clear target for the team. As competition grows and more teams are included, Wales will have opportunities to secure their place in the global spotlight, marking an exciting new chapter for the team.